Hey, Ben here. I'm at Doug's Hyundai in Edmonds, Washington. I am checking out the Ioniq 6 for the first time. Pretty cool car. Give you an idea of the size difference. Here's the smaller wheels, the 18s. They have got some new chargers, not operational yet. Some charge point units at Doug's Hyundai in Edmonds, Washington, where I purchased my vehicle. Just a quick update on the plastic cover under the front, like an air dam of the vehicle, under the front bumper. There were 4 plastic clips that went missing on a road trip, and I kind of addressed that. It was what happened last summer, and they did cover those under warranty. They put 4 new clips in and secured that tray. So, good news. Glad that they took care of that.